I am so freaking scared right now.
Shut up!
So, Ian, can you explain why we have all this food here on the counter?
Ever since I found this little toy oven on our doorstep, we've just been getting food randomly appearing here in the morning. It's kind of freaking me out.
Yeah, so that's why I've taken the liberty of setting up a few cameras around the house, so hopefully we can find this ghost or whatever is doing this.
Alright, man. Going to bed.
Wait, we gotta sleep in my room.
What?
I couldn't afford enough cameras for both of our rooms.
We're cutting this part out, right?
Yeah, whatever. Just go to sleep. Come on, baby. Just one kiss. Oh. Dude, Ian, wake up!
I'm drowning!
Dude, what the hell? Dude, you gotta check this out. Look, I was looking over the footage from last night.
Right.
Watch what you do.
What the frick?
Yeah.
The frick? I'm so freaking scared right now!
Yeah.
Look at me, I'm just... What is that incredible smell? Oh my frick.
You made a whole plate of tacos.
No, I don't even know how to make tacos. Dude, we gotta find out who's been making these delicious treats.
Alright, fine. I'll just go set up a few more cameras then.
Wait. I thought you said we couldn't afford more cameras. You know, that's why I've been sleeping in your room the whole time. Right?
Yeah, I mean, these are really good tacos.
Alright. No one crosses this Pikachu. That's your side, and this is mine.
Alright, whatever. Come on, Ian's mom. Little tongue action.
Wait, no, wake up!
What's your problem?
You just tried to make out with me for the second time.
Sorry, I was having a weird dream.
About what?
None of your business! Go back to sleep.
What the fucking frick? What is that?
Looks like a calzone.
I don't even know what that is.
So here you are getting out of bed.
What the frick?
Just wait. And then you leave the house, and then come back 2.5 hours later.
What? I got groceries? What the frick? And I went to like 3 stores.
And here you are making the calzone.
But it doesn't. Ah! All this crap started when I bought this thing from that stupid old man.
I thought you found it.
Okay, so I might have made a blood oath with a voodoo priest, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Problem solved. Dude, this is the dumbest idea you've ever had. The ghosts are gone. We already threw the thing out.
Well, we're gonna make sure they're gone. Okay? If any evil ghost chef or whatever passes through here, we're gonna be able to see it.
This is so stupid, dude. A ghost could easily jump over that line of flour.
Whatever.
And don't cross these pillows.
Okay, just go to sleep.
What the frick? What the frick is that?
What? What?
That sound. It was like
Dude, I didn't hear anything. Just go back to sleep. Just go to sleep. God. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ian! Ian, wake up!
What?
Holy shit!
What? Oh my God, I look like Michael frickin' Jackson!
Oh, come on, he wasn't that white.
No, I mean I look dead.
What the hell? Did you bring that back in here?
No.
Just tell the truth.
I'm being completely honest, I didn't bring
Okay.
it. What the frick is that? That can't even fit in that little oven!
What the Who the hell is Allison?
I don't know!
You know what? Here, that's it.
Dude, Anthony, where are you going, dude?
Get the hell out of the road!
You want an easy bake oven?
Yeah!
Take it.
So, that's it?
I want to film one more night. Just to be sure.
Police department! If anyone is here, show yourself! Jim, I got someone in here. Turn around and put your hands on your head.
Anthony?
Do as I say, right now!
Anthony?
He's reaching for something. It's a gun! Oh, never mind. It's a croissant. Wow, he's a great cook.
To see the Easy Bake Oven freak out and be a little bitch, click the link in the description below. Thanks for subscribing. You feel that? That's me breathing on your neck. You smell nice.